So you can turn it on, right? So one of the perks of being a professor in Jordanville is to do what I understand after having been 50 years old. That's what I would like to do in my life. So I'm really happy about this part. So I was able to read a book in preparation for this class, which cost $160. And this book is Theodore the Studite, The Ordering of Hollines, by Dr. Roman Cholij, who is, last time I checked, was in Cambridge. So, and then I was preparing for this class, I came across this phrase, right? So when he was trying to reconcile St. Theodore as on one hand, teacher of obedience, on the other hand, somebody who totally disobedient imperial authority, ecclesiastical authority, how to reconcile this, right? And he pointed towards something that exactness of gospel, following God, a gospel to its exact letter. And in this in mind, what occurred to me, that actually you and me, we all live in this tradition here in Jordanville. So actually what Jordanville, having read this Cholij's piece, reflecting very respectfully, very accurately on St. Theodore the Studite legacy, I just understood that actually we're all living in Byzantium. We're all living in Byzantium, and that's what makes Jordanville authentic. That's what makes Jordanville, because St. Theodore's renunciation of self, of one's will, thought of following Christ as Christ following Father's will. So as Christ came to serve, but not to rule, and so on. So you kind of see this philosophy all over, like the first week in Jordanville, and so. Therefore, I would like to congratulate you to have this experience, because it's in Jordanville. So it makes Jordanville, it makes sense out of being in Jordanville. All right. So.